Likely your parents, maybe even your professors, are a little bit nervous about you using AI because they don't want you to lose sight of who you are and lose your voice. So there's definitely tools, techniques, strategies to use AI in a way that is actually not being taught. It's not a search engine. It's not something you just put in like you would Google a question. There's so much more depth to it than that. There's so much that you can build rapport with it. You can teach your techniques, your voice, your way of thinking, and together you can make some real magic.
Making dreams come true.